How to change hotel dates on hotel.com. Hi everybody. If we want to change our hotel dates on hotels.com, we can do it from our booking details if the reservation allows changes. So we can just go over and follow the steps for that. So we can head over to hotels.com and sign in into our account if we're not signed in. And from this section, we can click on this option called trips or our bookings. And here we can select up the reservation that we want to modify. After that, we can just go over and find an option of modify, and we can click on the option for changing reservation or change dates. And it should be something like that, this, and we can just go over and type in the new date, for example, this date right here, and we can check for the availability and click on it. And after that, we can just go and confirm the change and see if that hotel confirms it. If the new date costs more, you may need to pay the price difference as well. And if the change option is not available, we should also be having an option for free cancellation. We can just go and cut for that option and cancel the reservation and again book the same hotel with the new dates. Sometimes you can also contact the hotel's person directly and ask them to modify the dates manually as well. And the dates change depending upon the hotel's policy, so check it out before doing so. And some non-refundable bookings cannot be modified. And that's it, everybody. For now, you may follow these steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.